In this video, I'll guide you through how to update your Chime app for the latest features. Keeping your app up to date is crucial for enjoying all the new functionalities and improvements it has to offer. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the process is straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your device's App Store if you're on an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. These stores are where all your app updates happen, and they ensure you have access to the latest versions of your apps. Once you're in the App Store or Google Play Store, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Chime and hit search. This will bring up the Chime app listing, where you can check if there's a new update available. If there is an update ready for Chime, you'll see a button that says Update right there on the app listing page. Tap this Update button, and your device will begin downloading and installing the latest version of the app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during this process to avoid any interruptions. Now, just sit tight and wait for the installation to complete. This shouldn't take too long, but the download time can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. Once the installation is finished, you can go ahead and open the app again. By keeping your Chime app updated, you ensure that you're getting the latest security features, performance improvements, and new banking tools that the developers have implemented. Regular updates not only enhance the app's functionality, but also protect your personal information by providing the most recent security patches. And that's how to update your Chime app for the latest features. It's a simple process, but an important one to make sure your app runs smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Happy banking!